Opposition blasts government for its approach towards security guards being forced to sign new contracts by their employers. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Anthony Lug. Also this evening, Agriculture Minister calls for partnership to build more storage facilities across the country. And later, security forces launch major operation in St. Catherine. There's also Saturday Sports Special and weather in this newscast, so please stay with us. I'll have the news in detail right after this break.